Alrighty, so my name is Andy Sumner, and this is my lab practical. This is the shot I spent the most time on. So I'm going to go and show you how I did it. All I'm trying to do is right about here. Right here, I'm going to make lightning shoot down on the frisbee, and then somewhere in here, lightning will be wrapped around the frisbee, and then as it goes, it'll shoot. And then shoot back behind his body, out over here, and then back over there and fall to his feet. So I'll give you the rough version of how I did all that. So let's go and start right here. A lightning strike. So this will be lightning. Okay. Advanced lightning. Let's change the settings. It looks a little more realistic. Okay, so now that's kind of like my one. I want it to be a strike. Alright, so now I have a nice lightning strike. I'm going to change these settings. Experts. So let's a little bit more fun. Okay, so now I just have a lightning strike striking from the sky to here. I want to click origin and direction with a stopwatch next to them to measure the keyframes on them. Here. So now I'll click next, and then I just move the lightning frame by frame. Really boring. So I did this follow lightning until I decided I didn't want it anymore. And then in the actual shot, I have about 4 other lightning strikes coming from the sky. That saved time, I won't do it. That's all I did with all of them. So then, at about right there, right there, I'm going to add a new, actually I'm going to add a mask. And this mask, I'm going to put around the frisbee and this hand. It's going to be a very rough mask. Okay, so now I have this mask. And this is easier for me. So now I'm going to mark the mask path. So I'm going to move. I'm just going to move the mask. Move it here. I want to move some points around. I was trying to get this a little better. And then just keep doing that. Do a nice mask around the frisbee. So once I have that, I'm going to do 2 or 3 frames. Once I have that, then I'm going to add some more lightning. Get 3 more. So now I have this lightning here. Okay, so now first frame. Go ahead and move it. So it's kind of like this one. And then the second one, we're going to use it. We're going to make it really tiny. I'm just going to make it so there's kind of like an arc at the end of this. Really tiny, just a curve. It's hard to make the lightning act the way you want it to. And then take this one and drag it under the mask. And then manipulate it. Oh, I forgot to change the mask right there. Okay. And now right here, and you can see that it goes behind the disk. And so it kind of looks like it's wrapping around the disk. It's not a great example, but yeah, so it kind of looks like it's wrapping around the disk in the actual shot. This might be there. So now there's that. So it goes here, here, and then I move it. And they don't like rotate it this way now. This kind of gives it a cool effect, like the lightning's actually rotating around the disk. So now it's like rotating around the disk. Okay, so that's how I did that. Then the way I had the lightning shoot to the legs is what I did was I masked his legs, just like I did the frisbee. I'll just quickly show you how you just did the exact same thing. Move down to the part where I want it to be. So right here. So now I just around his legs. Alrighty, so now I have my mask. Same thing as before. Mask F. C. Move it. Over. Alright, so get the idea, and then I'd add another lightning. Put it behind the leg mask. And then change that back. Then you'll have the lightning strike and go back through his body like that. Okay, and then the last thing I did was I added a new solid, made it black. Solids up here. Then I put a mask on it. All I did was put a little mask over the top of it. Alright, so now the mask is over top of it there. Alright, so I have this mask starting over here, and for this one, I recorded this. The opacity is way down, and then I mark the opacity. So then, when the lightning's coming in, all I did was hit the next one, and then I just move it. Just move it a little bit, and then I turn up the opacity. So, or to whatever. And then I just keep doing this on each frame. Oops, I don't move it that way. In the actual video, I move it down. But yes, essentially that is how I did it. All I did was move it down and turn up the opacity on each keyframe to make the sky darker. And that is how I did it. In the end, it's going to look like this. let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. There's the lightning, dark sky, it's wrapping around, shoots out back here. You can see there's a little glitch there, but it doesn't matter because you can't see it in the actual thing. So one more time. Hand comes up, lightning comes in, dark clouds come, rolling, lightning out, back, and there we go. And that's it. Thank you.